All right, marketers, let's cut to the chase. If you're tired of chasing leads, juggling DMs, and hoping people actually see your emails, stop right there. Click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount on ManyChat, and stick around to find out how chatting just got a whole lot more fun. Now let's talk chatbots. I know, chatbot sounds like something out of a sci-fi film, but trust me, there's no robot uprising here. ManyChat is your new best mate for connecting with customers on autopilot. And yes, it can be as cheeky or as charming as you want it to be. Imagine this. Someone visits your Facebook page or Instagram, and instead of waiting for you to reply, ManyChat jumps right in. Hey, what brings you here today? It's like having an assistant who never sleeps, never eats, and, best of all, never forgets to follow up. Setting it up? Dead simple. No code, no headaches. Just drag, drop, and watch your conversations come to life. Want to collect emails, send out flash sales, remind folks about their abandoned carts? Done, done, and done. And let's be honest, customers love a quick reply. Nobody's got time to wait hours for answers. With ManyChat, you'll never leave them on read again. Plus, you can personalize your messages, give your bot a name, a laugh, even a questionable sense of humor if you fancy. Need proof it works? Over 1 million businesses use ManyChat. That's not just marketers like you and me, but restaurants, gyms, online shops, the lot. They're all building better relationships and having a laugh along the way. So if you're ready to turn conversations into conversions and maybe have a bit of fun while you're at it, click the link below for your special offer. ManyChat is the chatbot that's as friendly as it is powerful. Give it a go. Your customers and your sanity will thank you. Don't forget, the discount is waiting in the description. Cheers!